Welcome back, a warm welcome to you. In the last video, we have we have discussed about different angles and the relationship between angles, especially in two conditions. One, when the lines are intersecting with each other, and when a transversal is intersecting the parallel lines. So what are the conclusions we have arrived at, or we can say the theorems what we have proved is that vertically opposite angles are equal and corresponding angles in parallel lines are equal. Alternate pair of interior angles are equal and interior angles on the same side are equal. So we'll be doing some problems in this video with respect to the linear pair of angles and vertical opposite angles, and in the next video we will do some problems on parallel lines. Okay. Now here I have couple of sums. We'll just go through that and try to apply whatever the points we have gathered till now, the knowledge we have acquired. Okay. So here you can see that O is the origining point, and we have OA, and there is a line CD. Okay, OCOD, and then OE, OB. Okay. Now what we were asked to find out angle BOE. Now how many straight lines you can see in this? So because straight line will help us to, because we know that whenever the non-common sides are making an angle of 180 degrees, the whole sum of the angles between them should be equal to 180 degrees. So what are the conditions we have been given? We have been given a condition here that x plus y is equal to 70 degrees. So what are the straight lines I have? I have straight line AB, then also I have straight line CD. And what we have to find out? We have to find out what is the angle B, O and E. Nothing but we have to find out what is y. We have to find out what is y. Okay. Now let me take the straight line AB. Okay. Since these non-common sides are making a straight line, I know that these total angles here should be equal to 180 degrees, because angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So I know that x plus, okay, angle x plus angle y plus angle, we know that how to denote this angle, right? Between C and E we say COE. So COE is equal to 180 degrees. But we know that angle x plus angle y equal to 70 degrees. So 70 degrees plus angle COE is equal to 180 degrees, which gives me that angle COE is equal to 110 degrees. Now I know that this is equivalent to 110 degrees. We have to find out what is y. Okay. Now tell me what else I can do. What else I can do? Can I take the straight line CD? Can I take the straight line CD? And I can say that, see, CD is a straight line. We have used already the straight line AB. Let's see what will happen if I use the straight line CD. If I use the straight line CD, you can see that again same principle. Non-common sides are straight, so the total angle should be equal to 110 degrees. So what I will get? 110 degrees plus, what is this angle? EOB. That's what we have to find out. That's y plus angle BOD, nothing but equal to 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So you know 110 plus 40, 150. So you can do two ways. Y plus 150 degrees minus 150 degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees. I am just subtracting instead of transposing. So this leaves me with, this gives me y equal to 30 degrees. So we know that y equal to 30 degrees. If you know y equal to 30 degrees, what will be the value of x? Total angle should be 180. This is 110. This is 30. Then this should be 40 degrees. And also what else we have been asked? We have been asked what is reflex COE. If you remember, if COE is this angle, reflex COE says the angle you want to get it in, the angle you want to, this is COE angle, reflex COE is this 360 degrees minus whatever that angle, that's nothing but the reflex angle. So what will be the reflex COE? 360 degrees minus what is COE? 110 degrees is equal to 250 degrees. Now I think we already know that angle at any point is always 360 degrees. Suppose I have a point, at that point how many lines I can have? How many lines I can have? All of them should together make an angle of 360 degrees. Very simple, right? You know that straight line, the angle is 180 degrees. And see here, suppose let me say that, it's very simple. See, suppose this is a straight line, there is another straight line which is yellow, and if it comes here it makes an angle of 90 degrees. If it goes here it makes an angle of 180 degrees. If it again comes down it makes an angle of 270 degrees. If it takes a full turn in anti-clockwise direction, again you are coinciding with your original line. That's nothing but the angle is 360 degrees. So the angle at a point, because you can create a straight line at any point, so the point angle at a particular point is always 360 degrees. That's very important. So the angle on straight line is 180 degrees and angle on angle at a point is 360 degrees. Okay. Now let's see the another example. There is another example here. So what we have here, we have couple of angles. We have A, we have B, we have C, and then we have an angle between P and C and Y is right angle, which is nothing but I know that it's 90 degrees because it's a right angle. The ratio of A and B has been given. Find out the angle of C. Again you can see the straight lines here. XY is one straight line. Using XY create one equation. Similarly you know that MN is one. So using MN you create the equation. You should be able to get it. So let's try to do it. First let's take the straight line XY. Now can you find complementary angles here? Yes, A and B are complementary angles because A plus B should be equal to 90 degrees. Why? The angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. Already this is 90 degrees. So this sum should be equal to 90 degrees. So I know A plus B equal to 90 degrees. What I know? I know A plus B equal to 90 degrees, and also they are in the ratio of 2:3. So can I take them as 2x comma 3x? So it makes it 5x equal to 90 degrees, which gives me x equal to 18 degrees. So my angles are A is equal to 2x, that's equal to 36 degrees, and B equal to 3x, that's equal to 3 into 18, 54 degrees. So I have 36 degrees. Just let me mark them. I have 36 degrees and I have 54 degrees. So what we did there is 1 minute, let me just, what we have done there, we said that A plus B plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, and that has given us A plus B equal to 90 degrees, and we know that A is to B is equal to 2:3. So we got A equal to, which given us A equal to 36 comma B equal to 54. But our interest is we have to find out what is the value of C. Now let's consider this line MN. If I take MN, see this angle MCN plus XCN should be equal to 180 degrees. We already know what is the angle of MCN. MCN is nothing but angle C, angle B, sorry, that's equal to 54 degrees. 54 degrees plus angle XCN is equal to 180 degrees. So this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degrees. I am actually referring to this straight line MN. If I am referring to this straight line, this angle plus this angle should be equal to 180 degrees. That gives me angle C as 180 minus 54. That's equivalent to 126 degrees. So these are couple of sums. Okay, let me see, we are running short of time. Yes. So in the next video, we'll be doing some more problems in the same lines. We'll be using vertically opposite angles or linear pair of angles or supplementary angles or complementary angles before moving into parallel line problems. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.